Hello guys, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Today in this video I will tell you how to make ultra best quality in mobile using the new app I found out. Not me, but my admins found out. And yeah, I know my English is not very good, and yeah, just if I make any mistake, just correct me in the comments. And so yeah, let's start. See, this new app is called like Xyether Upscale. You can download it from my Telegram channel or like any other Telegram sources, and it's mainly for that anime upscaling, but you can use it for your edit after you completed the edit. Like you made the full edit and upload here and upscale it. You use this 2x Xyether Pro Truss. This is a very good, like in Topaz I use this model for like upscaling the video. Just use this, and if your mobile is like top level mobile, then kindly tap here DLSS mode and use the quality or performance mode. I use quality 80%, and yeah, import your video clip like this, and yeah, start upscaling. It's 100% free, best for like ultra maximally best for your anime edits, but yeah, you can use for normal edits too. Just yeah, and one thing, it's time taking, depends on your mobile, but yeah, wait for it. It will give a good, like best results you can ever see. But yeah, it's not good as Tova. Tova was the best upscaling app I ever saw. Just wait for it, and it will give you the best results, and after that you can directly upload or add your like sharpness settings to make it more better. And yeah, one more thing, always use top quality clips on for your upscaling. Okay, like don't use any blurry image, blurry video, everything with noise, etc. Use 4K images, 4K not images but like videos which have texture, like detailing, wood detailing. If you will use like bad video quality videos, then you will get smooth results. Then you will say this is a bad app, but no, it's not. You have to experiment with it. So the video is finally done. It's finally upscaled, and yeah, it looks pretty good. Then after that upscaling, just save it to the device and go to Node or like Alight Motion, but I prefer Node. Open Node, make new project, add your video, and after that add like unsharp mask, and edit according to your clip. Like don't copy my settings, but edit according to your clip. What do you think like will look better and best in your video? And after that add basic correction and sharpness, increase the sharpness. See, here is what it looks like. Looks good for mobile editing. And if you are an anime editor or like any CGI movie editor like The Lion King or Kung Fu Panda, etc., which have like very much detailing and textures, then it will be best app for your upscaling. Otherwise, just stick to After vmake or like Wink. Okay, now see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye. And yeah, tell me, how was your experience listening to my voice, and like overall rate the level of English you understand that I speak. Okay, take care and bye bye.